Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm actually on vacation and I thought I would share with everybody all the beauty and other kind of things that we bring, or at least I bring. And we are at a ski resort right now, but I don't ski. I tried it once, it just wasn't for me. And I always use this little vanity table right here. It's next to our bed. We're at Massanutten Resort in Virginia. And of course I'm a dummy and I forgot to check the batteries for my lighted mirror, but I got this for like 10 bucks a while ago at Walmart. And I have all my kind of beauty bags. I think I got that at Target. This is a really nice brush bag that holds your brushes, and then I got this a while ago at Walgreens. And I tried not to bring too much of my beauty blender. But the brushes that I use, I usually put in a cup so I know what I used. And then, here's my concealer. I brought my new Makeup Revolution concealer, my NARS one for my face. I just use that under my eyes. I have Maybelline Master Eyelid Primer, some Tarte and Revlon lip stuff, my roller lash, my Maybelline mascara, my Armani under eyes brightener. I have a bunch of Stila eyeliners. I have my ColourPop and my Sephora Rouge gel, my Anastasia brow stuff, but I used this today. This is the Essence Make Me Brow. I always bring that. And I used my Bobbi Brown, which is almost out. My highlighter, it is Pink Glow, I think. Yeah, Pink Glow. And I have a bunch of highlighters and stuff. I brought my new Hourglass powder, and today I wore the NARS Himalaya eyeshadow. And then over here we have a little sink, and I kind of took this one over. My husband's in the guest bathroom, which I'll show you. And I actually recently got this jade roller and I'm really loving it. I'll definitely do a different review on that. I brought my Shiseido moisturizer. I brought the Aquaphor for my husband just in case skiing is too much for his skin. And my toothpaste, my toothbrush, some allergy pills. I usually don't use this makeup remover, but on travel I do. It's just easier. I'm almost out of my coconut oil, so I just use that to take the makeup off my face. And I brought stuff to keep my hair curly. I just had my hair done this week, so in case I want to wash my hair and leave it curly, I have all of my Holy Grail stuff. I have my MAC eye cream as well as my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye. And I use this when I leave my hair straight. This hairband helps that my hair doesn't get all wet and stuff. And just my toothbrush. I have a tongue scraper. I have all sorts of stuff. And just what I brought for our shower. I have a Molten Brown Travel Orange body wash, as well as my Joico, my razor, and just a pick. That's about it. The master bath is kind of tiny, but I thought I would show you our whole unit. This is the master bedroom, and that's just the little place that I showed you with the little vanity, master bed. And it comes with this tiny little TV in here. They haven't updated these units in like over 10 years. And over here, this is my nightstand, and I bought one of these, which I highly recommend, to charge all of our stuff. It has 5 ports. And then I have this battery for when I'm going around town, and if my stuff is getting low, I actually like to do that. And I actually really recommend these. We went to Hershey Park recently and tried those. They're really, really good. It's like peanuts and pretzel caramel flavor. Highly recommend those. And I always bring my iPad wherever I go. And this is our view of the mountain outside, and I'll show you the rest of the unit. This is like really 80s style. Like, look at this bathroom. You got the mirrors, you got the huge old school hot tub. We usually come with a bunch of friends, but unfortunately nobody could come this year, and my husband begged me to go, even though I will be staying here by myself, and my husband brought his toothbrush and toothpaste, his little toiletry bag, and like his contact stuff right there. And look at this shower. It's totally 80s style. My husband said it was very claustrophobic. I used the other shower. Yeah, that's like tiny. And then we have this little, our friends usually stay in here, but they couldn't get a dog sitter and come. And then here's another look at the view. And then out here, we have like a little dining room area. This room actually does sleep 6. The couch right here folds out, and they have like extra pillows and stuff in the closet over here. And we do have like a real full kitchen. We got groceries Thursday night, so we could just bring a cooler and didn't have to go to the grocery store. We have a full refrigerator and dining room table and all that. And then over here we have a little fireplace that we can flip with a switch and turn on if we want, but it's been kind of mild this year, so I don't want to put that on. And a little closet was just like a vacuum, a broom, and the extra pillows and closets. And we're in the upper unit. That's our door right here. And then we have like a little patio. And this is our view. And I guess that is it for this video. Thanks, and remember to subscribe.